Good morning, Language of Humanities kiddos. Let's talk about this week, okay? So many of you are actually still working on last week's assignment. It is critical that you have the presentation done. That is from last week, last Monday. It doesn't matter which version you do, but it's critical that one of those are done. And it's critical that you have done this assignment, which is now moved to this week, where you are beginning your outline. It would also probably be really helpful for you to do this example expository essay assignment so you can see what your final assignment will look like. But those other two you really can't move on without it. So let's talk about this week. This week is all working on your essay, okay? Which is why this outline for expository essay is not in any day because it's in every day. So every day there is something new for you to do. Today you should be adding your evidence to your outline. There is a lesson that is posted here for that. Tomorrow you will be completing your introduction, and there will be a lesson there for that. And on Friday you will be completing your conclusion. So Wednesday you'll be completing your conclusion. And then later in the week, later in the week, what you'll be doing is actually the easiest part. On Thursday, all we're doing is talking about what the actual format of the paper is, like what the spaces are, what the font should be, all that ticky-tacky stuff, and then moving from your outline, which is not in paragraph form, to your essay, which is in paragraph form. So Thursday should be the super easy day if you have everything else caught up. So, however, many of you are behind, so you're going to have to focus on catching up. Now, if you're really on it, I don't actually think it takes as long as a full class period to get those things done, but you will need to invest some time. Message me if you have questions or put it up here in this open question discussion. I am not planning on doing a WebEx with us until Thursday, but if I have to move that up because we just have so many questions, I will. It's hat day, hence the hat, and I hope to be talking to you guys today. Bye.